Good morning. Today's project is this 2018 Polaris Ranger XP with bad bushings. So I got a bunch of bushings and I'm starting to dismantle it, see just what it needs. Bushing, bushing. So lots of bushings. So I'll take you back here where I'm working. And I began by taking apart this here mess. And it turns out that the upper control arm, this is the upper control arm. So these are the control arms of a Polaris, and you can see I've already taken something apart here. This was the, well, what do you call that? That's a control stabilizer, and this connects in here. It holds that in position along with the shock, but I'm trying to drop the lower control arm because in taking the upper control arm, this control arm, off on the other side, I discovered that the upper control arms, the bushings were fine, but the lower control arms, the bushings were totally wallowed. So we're working at getting this free. I'm down to one bolt here. That'll allow me to drop this control arm, and then I have to get these bolts right in here, and then I should be able to take that control arm off as well. As you can see here, I did something similar on the other side. Got a bad boot here, but as you can see, I took the upper control arm off on this side, which is this one, and discovered that the bushings were fine. If we look at the bushings inside, they are not in bad shape at all. You know, they got some little bit of pitting and some marring and gunk on them, but they're not in bad shape. So that really wasn't the problem. And I'll go ahead and order a boot, or perhaps a whole drive shaft assembly here, which comes off with that bolt there. But more importantly, I'm trying to get to these lower control arms, because you could tell, I mean, they had gone bad. They were just, when I got the upper off, I could see they're just wobbling around in here, you know. So these need replacement, and that's what we're working on today.